This is Castlepoint in Bournemouth and it's lift tour time. But this is part 1, so enjoy. This is the lift at Sainsbury's in Castlepoint. We go up to 1. It's a Jackson lift, capacity 16 persons or 1,250 kilos, built in 2019. Doesn't have the voice. Go back down to G. Here we are back at ground. And that's it. This is the lift at Marks and Spencer's in Castlepoint. Got to 1.
Doors closing.
I actually filmed these lifts before. It's a UK lift, capacity 2,100 kilograms or 27 persons, built in 2009. Might not be. Where are you going?
Up ground to lower ground, please. Thank you very much.
Doors closing.
Do you want to when you get out?
Yeah, I've got to get out first.
It hit me.
Did it? Well, it just shows you it does close when you're in the way, doesn't it?
Yeah,
Upper ground.
See you at the car, love.
too right.
Don't worry, I can squeeze around. Yes, I can. See you later.
Take care.
Doors closing. Lower ground.
And that's it.
Right, here we go.
This is the lift at Monsoon in Castlepoint. We'll go up to 1. It's a platform lift company lift. Capacity 5 persons of 100 kilos. My 2003 labels here. Ooh. Here we are at 1. Cool. We'll go back down to G. It's a little bit shaky, this lift. I mean we're not stuck at it or anything, so that's good. Here's the ground floor with all those wooden clothes up here. And that's it. This is the lift at Castlepoint car park. Go back down to G. Not back down. Go to G. I think this is the only Oakland lift they ever have now. Capacity 1,250 kilos, 16 persons. Here we are at G. Pretty slow leveling. We'll go back down to upper ground. I like the way they have these lifts. Just shows that Castlepoint is a good place. Whoa, Jesus. Listen to that. Anyways, here we are at upper ground. I hear this chime. And that's it. This is one of the lifts at B&Q in Castlepoint. This is lift number 1. But the staff only lift, which is lift number 2. Here it is. Ah yes, the wonderful dim lighting. We'll go to G. And we just look at these lights. They are really classic lights. We'll go down first. These lifts could do with some seats. Made all this standing space. All just wasted stuff. Here we are at G. We'll go back down to upper. We'll go back up to upper ground. Let's hear this hydraulic. Oh yeah. Here we are back at upper ground. That's it. This is another lift at B&Q in Castlepoint. We'll go down to G. Good old fashioned lights again. We've got an emergency light over here. Capacity 1,800 kilograms, 24 persons. We'll go back up to upper ground. Good old hydraulic motors again. And that's it. This is the outside lift at B&Q in Castlepoint. Good old Jackson lift. It used to be in Oakland, but it was modernised.
Going down.
Good old vandalism. Go to 0.
Please mind the doors. Doors closing. Going down.
Capacity 16 persons, 1,250 kilos. Built in 2008.
Ground floor.
Jackson lift.
Doors
Still got these
open.
vents. We'll go up to 1.
Please mind the doors. Doors closing.
Good old Leicester voice again.
Going up. Floor 1. Doors opening.
That's it. These are one of the outside lifts at Castlepoint. I think this is the oldest one they had. Here it is. Double arrow.
Going up.
Go up to 1.
Please mind the doors. Doors closing.
Capacity 17 persons or
Going
1,275
up.
kilos. Built in 2016. I think this is a hydraulic.
Level 1.
Here we are at 1.
Doors opening.
Go back down to 0.
Please mind the doors. Doors closing.
Loose paddle over here.
Going down.
I guess someone didn't want their orange string.
Good old littering
Level
again.
0. Doors opening.
slower leveling at the bottom.
That's it. This was my first episode of It's Lift Tour Time, inspired by Benno Lifts. Subscribe to my channel and I hope you enjoy.